Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have an easy beginner level friendly nail set for you all. So come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Hey y'all, I have these beautiful full cover nail tips and I glued them down with the Jello peel off base gel, and I'm doing my nails so often that I do use peel off bases so that I can remove them easily. I'm going in with some base gel from Beetles. I believe this specific one came in a kit that I did like a year ago. I did do a video on it and there was like 60 something gel polishes between the two kits that Beetles had sent me, but their gel polish is, you know, pretty good, and this base coat is pretty standard. Like, there's not much you need from a base coat. You just need it to cure properly and be clear. So I'm applying a thin layer of this to my nails and I'm going to cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. So I've actually done tortoise shell nails on my channel like twice before, but I did them slightly differently both times, and I'm going to do it differently this time as well. I used to mix a bunch of colors together, but honestly, I wanted to find a really simple way for this to be done by people who are typically not into doing nails as much as me but want this to be beginner friendly. It's literally just like this base shade of jelly yellow that I'm using, some blooming gel and black gel, and that's literally it on top of like base and top coat. And this is different and a lot more simple than my last tutorials. And also this is like the beginning of like my fall slash Halloween vibe that I've got going on my channel. I will soon, well, after this video, it's strictly going to be fall vibes, Halloween aesthetic. Like, I have the videos filmed. I have half of my Halloween videos filmed. I need to edit them. I'm going to get more. Like, each week you're gonna get so much fall and Halloween content out of me. It's going to be amazing, so look forward to that. I'm super excited to get all this content out for you guys so you can see my creatives, and also like let me know what types of videos you want to see from me. I am interested in doing a haul soon, or just doing like reviews of beginner friendly polygel kits or gel polish kits, so that I'm not just doing nail tutorials, or I'm not just doing really crazy elaborate ones, although I do love those. I can do simple ones because I want my channel to feel like a welcome space for any type of nail enthusiast, whether you just want to watch for reviews because you're interested in purchasing, or you want to see how I do certain nail hacks, so a video focused on a specific technique, or you're just interested in watching a video tutorial of me just doing my nails, whether it's a simple set that you can replicate or something a little complicated that you want to challenge yourself with. I literally started doing nails because I was watching creators create videos during the pandemic. Like, that's exactly how I learned. I just watched them for fun, and then I woke up one day and said, wait, let me just try to do it on my own. I played around with doing nails for myself for, I would say, about 3 years before I started my channel 2 years ago. So it's been 5 years total. And I've been doing it while I was in undergrad, while I was working, doing internships, and switching from job to job, and then going back to school for my master's, which I just finished, so I'm waiting for them to send me my diploma, but I will officially have 2 degrees soon, and I'm so happy to focus on my videos again. Lost in the fairy tale, can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. Dream or a beautiful night. So I know I only showed you like 2 coats of that yellow gel polish, but I somehow don't have the other clip of the 3rd coat, so I did apply 3 coats and cured in between each one. And now I'm just adding another thin coat of base gel. I always do this in between when I'm about to do nail art, just so that when I wipe it off, if I do make a mistake, I don't take some of that gel polish off that I just cured. Because sometimes, a tiny little bit of times, that does happen, and it pisses me off because there's nothing more frustrating than spending time doing your nails and then, oh, you made a little mistake, you try to wipe it off, and then you mess up what's underneath. Either way, I don't wanna wait for the light go. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love so good from the light show. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. Could be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wait for the light go. Like I said before, this is literally the easiest nail set ever. So I'm literally just using, I say the word literally too much, I'm sorry. I'm using Blooming Gel, specifically this one from Makartt, which is actually really thick in its consistency. So I only apply a little bit and then I brush it all the way down. Make sure it's smooth, and then I just go in with my black gel polish. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. I use a dotting tool to pick up the gel polish. You don't necessarily have to do this. I just like to do that when I'm using Blooming Gel. And I use this one that has like a larger ball tip. I have no idea how to describe this, but I think I got these dotting tools years ago, before I even started filming. Honestly, they're so old, so I don't even know if wherever I got them, I don't even know the brand name of where I got them from, if they're still in business. I'll try to see if I can find an alternative and link it below, but these dotting tools are amazing with nail art. And right now you can also see the gel polish is spreading. As it spreads, it's not as opaque, so I do add a little bit more gel on the nail, and you should look at it, it's so cute. But this is all on top of uncured Blooming Gel, so as it spreads, wait till you're satisfied, cure it. And I like to wipe the sides before I cure it, and it kind of messes with the sides, but I like it. I don't know why, but I like it, so that's just me. If I cannot dance with you, come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a, come take it to the floor now. On that, this diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this, I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies, tell them I woke up like this, I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I know when you were little girls, you dreamt of being in my world. Don't forget it, don't forget it. Respect that. Bow down, bitches. I took some time to live my life,
but don't think I'm just his little wife. Don't get it twisted, get it twisted. This my shit. Bow down, bitches. 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 H-Town, bitches. H-Town, bitches. I'm so proud, bow down, bitches.
Coming down. I'm coming down, dripping kitty on the ground.
Coming down, dripping kitty on the ground.
Mama taught me cussing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like it, up like it, up like it, up like it. Bow down, bitches.
Coming down. I'm coming down, dripping kitty on the ground.
I woke up like it, up like it, up like it.
Coming down, dripping kitty on the ground.
I woke up like it, up like it. I woke up like it, up like it, up like it.
So now that the nail set is done, I'm just gonna add some top coat, and this is some no wipe top coat. I can't go back to regular top coat and wipe it off with like alcohol anymore for some reason. I have to finish off with a no wipe, and I can't pronounce the name of this brand, so don't ask. I don't know why I keep buying brand products from brands that I can't pronounce, but I love it. And I'm just gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.